I know, I do get frustrated with you. It's because I do more of the work.
What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the show. I am Spencer.
And I'm Christy.
And we found an amazing spot on the Clark Canyon Reservoir to camp for a week.
This is like really our ideal location because we love both the mountains and the water, and we get the best of both worlds here.
Both.
We've been enjoying this spot so much. We've been playing, running around, skipping rocks. You had a great adventure the other day.
Yeah, I went and paddled across the reservoir to the islands, as you can see out there, climbed all the way to the top of the mountain, and it was pretty amazing.
So as you know, this is Destination Delicious, where we travel all over making yummy meals for you. And today we are making chorizo burritos.
So let's go fire up the Blackstone.
Today we've got a really fun one that we're cooking for you because everything goes on the griddle at once.
Yeah, it's gonna be like a party on the griddle.
So we're basically gonna prep everything. We're gonna prep our eggs, our chorizo, our onion, our peppers, and our potatoes. So that way everything goes on and cooks pretty much simultaneously.
And then it'll all come together in amazing burrito goodness.
Yeah, I cannot wait. So to get us started, we are going to shred our potatoes with a cheese grater. So we're leaving the skin on, we're gonna shred our potatoes. One thing to note before you put the potato, prior to putting them on the grill. I give up. That way you're sure to cook your potato and not your water. It's a lot to say here.
Wow.
Take 76. This is the one, this is really the one. You can say it.
Before you put your shredded potatoes on the griddle, you're gonna wanna make sure you dry them thoroughly. That way they cook quicker and evenly.
For everyone watching at home who has a food processor, I highly recommend that. Okay, here's the key. We wanna dry out our shredded potatoes. So I moved them to the side, put some paper towel down, then I'm going to layer them on the paper towel and then cover the top.
Now it is time to dice our onion.
I like the technique, I'm just not sure I would trust myself with it.
I wouldn't trust you either with it. I think we're good with half an onion, right? We don't need...
Yeah, absolutely. I mean, there's no vampires around here.
That's garlic.
Oh, oops.
Next, we're gonna cut up the jalapeños, and we like them spicy. And we always leave the seeds and the veins in.
Our sous chef showed up just in time to crack some eggs, which is one of the things he loves to do most. You ready?
Mm-hmm.
How many eggs are we cracking?
6.
That's right.
Now what can Chef Kate do?
Milk. Let's add our milk to our eggs so we get nice fluffy scrambled eggs. All right, mix it up.
You can't have a chorizo burrito without chorizo. So we've got a pork chorizo, and I'm going to remove it from the casing, and then we'll just squeeze that directly onto the griddle. All right, so we've got our griddle preheated to low heat, and I'm gonna put some oil on, and then it's time to get all of our ingredients on the griddle.
Okay, we unrolled our shredded potatoes. We are about to get those down on the griddle next.
All right, while our potatoes are cooking, I'm gonna throw some breakfast blend on them to give them a little extra flavor. All right, after a few minutes of cook time, we probably could have dried out our potatoes a little more, but everything's ready to go. The last piece of the puzzle is the eggs. And just like the potatoes, we're gonna sprinkle some breakfast blend on our eggs. Now that the eggs are nice and fluffy, it's time to mix everything together in preparation for our burritos.
Now that our burrito ingredients are all mixed together, we're gonna move it to the side of the griddle, add some cheddar.
Some cheddar cheese.
Some cheddar. Now that our burrito ingredients are all mixed together, we're gonna move it to the side of the griddle and add some shredded cheddar cheese, while on the other side, we warm up our tortillas.
Time to load them up. Just like a load of dump truck. Yum. That's gonna be delicioso. Delicioso.
All right, guys, if you have not experienced tahini, you are missing out. This is the good stuff. So we're going to post dust our burritos with some tahini.
We're taking them off the griddle to fold them burrito style and then putting them back on to cook them a little bit longer so you get that nice crisp burrito finish.
Okay, so somebody goofed and got soft taco shells instead of burrito shells.
And it was Mommy.
It wasn't Mommy.
Thanks, Bubba. I like that you have my back.
We're now changing the name, and today we made mini chorizo burritos. Now that we've got our mini chorizo burritos ready, we are going to garnish them with some hot salsa, just nicely drizzled all over the top. And then we're gonna just sprinkle a little bit of cilantro on top.
Ready for our mini burritos?
I mean, that is one thing that we love. We love eating delicious meals, but they don't have to be perfect. And sometimes you do buy the wrong thing. Sometimes we, you know, don't cook things correctly, forget an ingredient, things like that happen. But at the end of the day, our meals always do still taste good.
Then we usually have fun making them. So.
Yes, which is what's really important.
Yeah. There's about 500 layers of flavor in here. It's
oh my
amazing.
Gosh. So good. Definitely a little bit messy, and that's more because we poured the salsa on the top. But inside, the flavors blend so nicely. That chorizo is really rich with flavor. Really, really good.
There's definitely some lime in the tahini that comes out, and it's kind of like brightens it all up.
It's absolutely,
so
very delicious.
Great way to do breakfast. Thank you guys once again for joining us. Go to blackstoneproducts.com to check out all things Blackstone. Don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel and ring that bell because we don't want to miss shows from...
Us? Oh,
yes, definitely us.
From Todd, Betty, Nate, CJ, and Bruce.
That's right. And until next time, guys, this is Destination Delicious.
And we will see you down the road.